Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now by opening both apps you plan to use in split screen. Tap each once so they appear in Recent. Once done, open Recent/Overview and locate the first app you want on top. Long press its app card to reveal multi-window options. Make sure the app supports split screen. If not, Android will hide the option. If your device is locked to portrait, toggle auto-rotate because split screen is easiest in landscape for many apps. Once you trigger split screen by long pressing the first app's card and selecting split screen, the top pane becomes fixed and the recent view appears for the second pane. Tap the second app to place it below or beside the first. You can also pull an app from the launcher into the empty pane. Make sure to drag the central divider slowly to resize evenly, because abrupt moves can cause one app to minimize. If you need to swap positions, use the swap button or drag the app title. To finish, drag the divider to the top or bottom to return to a single full-screen app, or tap Exit Split Screen if available. If an app freezes or behaves strangely, force stop and reopen it, because memory contention can cause UI lag. Once done, you'll usually recover normal behavior. Make sure auto-rotate is set correctly and that both apps are updated. If one app simply won't enter split mode, update the app or the system. Sometimes
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.